Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. So today I've got a really exciting video, and as you can see from what's in front of the camera, it's all about Kitchenaid. So if this is your first time to my channel, I deal with all things quality. We want to say luxury, but I'm going to start off by saying all things quality, whether they be bags, jewelry, homeware, because I've started doing homeware on my channel, makeup, and beauty. So if it's your first time here, welcome. Support my channel by subscribing. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for rejoining. I want to tell you that I have a schedule for my videos, but I don't. I'm going to try and keep to that, but I am going to try and post videos on a regular basis. I've been doing a haul, if you've been following my last few videos, and I think I've got the Gucci and the UGG item left to show you, but I thought I'd break that video up and show you something different. So before I continue rambling on, let's get straight into this video. So I thought I'd start off with this item only because this item is actually not a new item. It's just that I haven't actually featured it on my channel. It's one of the attachments to the Kitchenaid. So if you know much about Kitchenaid, Kitchenaid is that item. It's very popular. Not necessarily in that colour. And you can have or buy various attachments, one of which is the sifter and scale. So I bought this, I believe, around the period of lockdown. I think I bought it about July 2020, so 2 years ago. And I haven't actually featured it on my channel. So I thought while I've gone and bought two other items of Kitchenaid, I might as well, show you what it is. So when you buy quality products, it comes in quality packaging. So the thing I like about it comes in this magnetic box like this, and you open it a bit like a Chanel bag. Open it like that, and I'll just show you there. There's a pamphlet. So I thought I'd show you. So that's the top of the box, and there's like a little compartment there, and it's got the manual there. And as I showed you before, that's the manual. And then also it has these little booklets here. So it's got a pamphlet here. I wonder what this is. So it's just, I guess it's the instructions to the item. So just a quick overview of how you attach it and use it. And then we've got a product that tells you to register, which is very ideal to protect your items, basically. And another pamphlet. So they give you two. I have a funny feeling that one of them might be in a different language. So this is how it's packaged. And so you have here on top the mixer, or not the mixer, the compartment that you put the flour. So that's the top of it. And that's the lid there. And you just remove it like that, like so. And on the side here, I can show you quickly, to release the flour, you open it like, hold on. There you go. So that's a knob there, and then you open it like this, and it releases the flour. So the next item is this. Let's see what this is. I think this is the base. Yeah, so this is what the top part sits on. So that's the so as I was trying to remember, that's the base where my thumb is, and that's also the scale. It's not actually on. You can only, it only comes on when you attach it to the Kitchenaid. So finally, that's the final piece, and that's the base. So if I was to attach it, this goes, so they're on the front of my KitchenAid mixer is actually in my kitchen. So on the front of the mixer, see if I can show you. So as you can see, the front of the mixer, this part here would attach to it, and then the scale and the container. I have to actually turn this round so you can see that's the gap, that's the sift part of it, and that sits on top like that, and you click it into place like that. So, and then at the bottom here is where the flower comes out. So I bought that in July 2020. So this is known, this attachment is known as the Sift Digital scale, or sifter scale, Sift Digital scale, and it actually originally retails at the moment for £149. KitchenAid are doing a sale up to 20% off. On KitchenAid website, it retails currently for £119.20. However, I think I paid less than that. The actual